Live and student responses are beginning to come in, you have access to our live teaching tools. As you can see, I'm in a lesson that has student responses. Using the toggle up in the right-hand corner, I can access all of my live teaching tools. The first one is Share My Screen. This allows you to take over student devices, and this is what they're going to see. You always have the ability to hide the question, hide responses, or hide student names, as well as toggle back and forth between whole class data and individualized student data. From here, you can also go ahead and highlight, circle, use our laser pointer, or just draw attention to important things that your students should be noticing. Next, you can share student responses so they can see what their peers have submitted. You can add a timer to keep students on pace while completing a lesson. You can allow student navigation, which gives students the ability to toggle back and forth between tasks within a lesson. And you can also allow your students to see the results of their Quizlet activities. You always have the ability to end a lesson or download the results. And with the addition of THiNKtech 3.0, there are two new features that you can utilize in your class. The first new feature is our feedback. Using the chat icon on a specific task, you can go ahead and select which of your students that you would like to chat with. From here, a two-way dialogue is open, and you can offer your students support, comments, or answer any questions that they may have. They can go ahead and directly chat you back within the lesson that they are completing. The last feature that you have access to within a live lesson is our lesson overview. By clicking on this, you're allowed to see student progress within the lesson. This gives you the ability to see what your students are caught up on, how far along each of them are, and how they're doing within a lesson that has several different tasks. By toggling over each task type, you can see the name of the task, that way you know exactly what your students are working on. This is just one of the ways to enhance the learning experience in your classroom when using THiNKtech.